How to divide household items fairly in a divorce settlement. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most surprisingly emotional parts of a divorce can be dividing up the household items. Things like furniture, electronics, kitchenware, and even sentimental items can create unexpected tension. So let's talk about how to divide household items fairly and without turning it into a battle. The first thing to understand is that in California, household items acquired during the marriage are generally considered community property. That means they should be divided equally, but that doesn't necessarily mean splitting every item down the middle. The goal is to divide the overall value fairly, not necessarily the specific objects. The best way to start is by making a list of all household items, including furniture, appliances, and anything else of value. Then each spouse can indicate what they'd like to keep. If there are overlaps, you can negotiate or assign values and equalize things by trading off or buying out certain items. We worked with a couple who divided their household items using a simple spreadsheet. They each took turns choosing items, like a draft pick. It kept the process civil, organized, and surprisingly fast. At Divorce 661, we help our clients avoid drama by walking them through this process step by step. We include the household division in the written settlement agreement so there's no confusion later about who gets what. If needed, we can also build in timelines for moving items out or handling anything left behind. The key is to focus on the big picture. Household items rarely have high monetary value, but the emotional weight can be heavy. Keeping the process respectful can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. If you're ready to divide property and want help putting together a clean, fair divorce agreement, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you handle the details and keep things moving peacefully.